Why do we tag our friends in photos of Facebook or Instagram? To acknowledge their presence, to track memories, and to connect. Now imagine if cow could be tagged in their farm photo album, not with a physical tag, but digitally, recognized by their unique facial features. This isn't just a what if scenario, it's the future of dairy farming, enhancing herd management, disease control, overall productivity, and improving cows' welfare. Let's embark on the journey of evolution in farm technology. Earlier, farmers relied on methods like tattoos, ear notching, and hot iron banding to identify their animals. These methods, while traditional, brought pain to the cattle and weren't foolproof, with ear tags prone to damage and loss. In places like Alberta, branding is used on about 20% of beef cattle, but is banned across Europe. The search for a better way has led us to a crossroad between farming and artificial intelligence. Enter biometric fingerprint, or I like to call it facial recognition for cows. This hero doesn't wear a cape, but brings transformative powers to dairy farming by studying unique patterns and shapes of bovine faces, such as ear shape and muzzle point. We can offer a non invasive, real time identification system. This is where AI steps in with convolutional neural network, turning a farm into data-driven enterprise. But no journey is without its challenge. The farm's varying light, weather, and obstruction further complicate the picture. Yet, this is a tale of Trump with a dataset of several thousand cattle images, training our AI model to become precise and efficient. This isn't just about technology, it's about building decision support for farmers. It's about turning a farm into a nurturing community where every cow is known, understood, and cared for. The leap is identification accuracy. Doesn't just streamline farm management, it revolutionizes it. Opens door for real-time health monitoring and behavior analysis. Why do we take this part? Because at the heart of this digital revolution is a commitment to animal welfare, to ensure that every cow has a name, not just a number. And with each cow we recognize, we're not just tagging a photo, we are making a mark on the future of sustainable farming. Imagine a world where every cow's face tells a story, where every farmer is an ally in the narrative of animal well-being. This is a world we are creating, one facial recognition at a time.